Good morning, my dear children. Children, we are discussing our fourth unit, repeated multiplication. In this class, we are dealing with a new section, power of powers. How can we express a power in a single power? Let's check how it is. Look how we express 64 in terms of a power. 64 is 2 raised to 6, isn't it? Next, 64 can be expressed like this also. 4 raised to 3 is also 64. Next, 64 can be expressed as 8 into 8, 64. That is 8 square is also 64. Or we can express like this. So 64 is equal to 64 raised to 1. These are the expression that we can make by using powers of some numbers. Okay. Let me check how we can express 3 raised to 12. In our early classes, using multiplication rule, we know that 3 raised to 6 multiplied by 3 raised to 6 is 3 raised to 12. 3 raised to 6 is 729. Again, here is also 729. Then it can be right like this, 729 all square, isn't it? Then if the question is like this, 3 raised to 12 is equal to 3 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 4. Here also we get the same result, 3 raised to 12. 3 raised to 8 means 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. Can we make this change here? Isn't it? 4 plus 4, 8. Then here 3 raised to 4 once again. How many 3 raised to 4s are repeating here? Yes, 3 raised to 4. That is the single digit 3 raised to 4 all raised to 3. Look here. This is the same results of 3 raised to 12. Okay. Look this, 3 raised to 12. Here we can make 3 raised to 6 multiplied with 3 raised to 6. 3 raised to 6 can be converted as 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. Isn't it? 3 plus 3, 6. Same as here also we can make a change. Okay, then 3 raised to 3 is 27 into, again 27 into 27 into 27. How many 27s are repeating here? Yes, 4 27s are repeating. That is 27 raised to 4. Or can we express it as like so? How many 3 raised to 3s are here? 4 3 raised to 3. That means 3 raised to 3 all raised to 4. Or we can say that we can express 27 in terms of powers of 3 like this. 3 raised to 3 is 27. Okay, then 27 raised to 4. That is 3 raised to 3 all raised to 4. If you want to check our result is correct or not, we want to just multiply these two. 4 into 3, 12. We get the same result. In reverse, what is the solution for this? 6 raised to 2 all raised to 4. Here 6 raised to 2 is repeating 4 times. This is the method or this is the way 4 times 6 raised to 2 is repeating. Okay. Then we know that 6 raised to 2 is 36, which means 36 into 36 into 36 in 4 times, which means 36 all raised to 4. Look here, 6 raised to 2 is 36, 36 all raised to 4. Or we can simply say that 4 2s are 8. 6 raised to 8 is equal to 36 raised to 4. Here the results are same in left hand side of the equal and right hand side of the equal. Next we check in terms of fraction and decimal forms. First we think 2 by 3 all raised to 2. We know that this is the answer for it. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, which is equal to 2 2s are 4 by 3 3s are 9. This is the answer for this power. If the question is like this, 2 by 3 all raised to 2 all raised to 3. Here 2 by 3 all raised to 2 is repeating 3 times. That means 2 by 3 square multiplied by 2 by 3 square multiplied by 2 by 3 square. Okay. Then the overall result may be 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. That is 2 by 3 all raised to 6. From here also we can find out the solution. 3 2s are 6. This is the solution for a fraction in terms of power of powers. If next, in terms of a decimal, if 0.121 all raised to 3 all raised to 5. If we want to find out the solution for this type question, first we know that 0.0121 cube multiplied with 0.121 all raised to 3, again 121 all raised to 3. How many 0.121 are here? 1 2 3 4. Here it is 5. So one more needed for us. 121 all raised to 3. Okay. Then how many 0.121 are here? 3 plus 3 6, 9, 12 and 15. That is 0.121 all raised to 15. From here also we can find out the same thing. 5 3s are 15. 0.121 all raised to 15. Is it clear? In general, we can express it as in algebra if x raised to m all raised to n means x raised to m into x raised to m into etc. into x raised to m. Here the x raised to m is repeating n times. Then the general formula should become x raised to mn. Okay, this is for a whole number. Same as for a fraction. If x raised to y all raised to m again raised to n. Here x by y all raised to n, m multiplied by x by y all raised to m, repeating n times. Okay. Then from here also we get the same result. X by y all raised to mn. This is the solution for this. This is your work. Now you can write this as single power. 4 raised to 2 all raised to 3. 3 raised to 3 all raised to 2 into 9 raised to 4. And 1 by 2 all raised to 3 all raised to 4. 2 raised to 3 all raised to 4 multiplied with 2 raised to. Second question, write each of these as powers of different numbers. 3 raised to 8, 4 raised to 6, 2 raised to 15 and 5 raised to 12.